Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful beginner's tutorial, how to create an email template in Figma for your email marketing campaigns, especially if you're a UI/UX designer getting started. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to quickly find, customize, and make your own professional email template in Figma, helping you save a ton of time compared to starting completely from scratch. So let's dive right in and make the most out of Figma's templates and tools. First up, let's address the big question: why use templates when you could design every element yourself? Well, using ready-made templates in Figma is like having a strong foundation for your house. It gives you a solid, reliable base, but you still get to choose the color of the walls, the furniture, and all those finishing touches that make the space truly yours. It's all about working smarter, not harder. As a designer, your time is incredibly valuable, so leveraging the existing resources Figma offers can streamline your workflow and leave more room for creativity and polish. Now, to get started, just head over to the Templates and Tools section within Figma. If you're not sure where this is, take a moment to look around the Figma dashboard. The search bar and the Resources tab are your friends here. In the search field, type Email Template. You might see quite a few results pop up, but don't let that overwhelm you. Figma has a fantastic community with tons of quality options, both free and paid. If you're unsure which template to choose, pay attention to the preview images or any user ratings and comments. Pick one that closely matches the style or structure you want for your emails. Think about your brand's feel, whether it's minimal, vibrant, corporate, or playful. After you've landed on an email template that looks right to you, go ahead and open it inside Figma. Give it a moment to load. These files sometimes include multiple layouts or design elements, so don't worry if it takes a second. Once it's open, you'll notice that all the elements are fully editable. This is where the fun begins. Want to swap in your brand colors, change the header image, adjust button styles to match your latest campaign? Go for it. Think of this step as remixing your favorite song. You're giving it your own spin while keeping the solid structure in place. Now here's a helpful tip. To start personalizing, simply copy the sections you like from the template and paste them into your own Figma draft or even an existing project. This way you can mix and match elements between different templates or incorporate components you've already designed elsewhere. Don't hesitate to experiment. Try different fonts, play around with layout, and make sure your links and CTA buttons really stand out. Remember, the magic happens in the customization. A great template is just the beginning, but your personal touch is what makes the email truly unique and effective. And that's it in just a few steps. You've learned how to quickly create a professional-looking email template in Figma, setting yourself up to send beautiful, on-brand emails with ease. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on more practical tutorials to level up your design skills. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.